Here is the first problem. Your brain evolved for survival in the wild, not for surviving the forex or stock market. Thousands of years ago, fear kept you alive when a predator was nearby. Greed pushed you to store food and resources for winter. These instincts were lifesavers, but in trading, fear makes you close a good trade too early, and greed makes you over leverage and hoping for more. And sometimes you just freeze, unable to pull the trigger when the opportunity is right in front of you. The market doesn't reward survival instincts, it punishes them. Now let's talk about the biggest traps your brain set up for you. Losing $100 feels almost twice as painful as gaining $100 feels good. That's why traders hold on to losers too long and cut winners too early. Once you are in a trade, you only look for news or chart signals that agree with your position. You basically convince yourself that you are right even when you are wrong. If the last 3 trades were winners, you assume the next one must be a winner too. If they were losers, you panic and think the market is against you. After 5 losses in a row, you tell yourself, I'm due for a win. But the market doesn't care about your strike. Each trade is independent. How your brain tricks you. On top of that, your brain runs on chemicals that completely mess with trading. Dopamine spikes every time you see a green candle or book a profit. It's the same hit you get from social media likes. That's why you keep chasing trades you shouldn't take. And the stress hormone floods your body during drawdowns. It clouds your judgment and makes you exit at the worst possible time. And overconfident bias shows up after a win. You suddenly feel invisible and double your lot size, forgetting the market doesn't care about your mood. So the very thing you rely on, your brain, is constantly pushing you into bad decisions. So what's the solution? You can't change human evolution, but you can build systems that can protect you from yourself. Create a predefined trading plan. Rule beats emotion every time. Journal every trade. When you see pattern in writing, you stop repeating mistakes. Always use stop loss and take profit. Let your system close trades, not your panic. Think in probabilities, not certainties. No single trade matters, only the long-term edge. The best traders don't have superhuman brains, they have systems that keep emotions out. Here's the truth, your brain was designed to help you survive in the jungle, not in the charts. If you rely on instincts, you will fail. If you rely on system, you will win. So let me ask you, what's the biggest psychological trap you have fallen into while trading? Drop it in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe and share it with another trader who needs to hear this today.